Hey, and welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to talk about a piece of technology you almost definitely have in your home or office, the humble inkjet printer. But we're about to uncover a totally surprising new chapter in its story, one that goes way, way beyond printing documents.
Printing lunch. I know, it sounds like pure science fiction, doesn't it? But that wild idea hints at a really profound shift. You see, the same basic tech that puts ink on paper has been quietly evolving into a platform that could change how we make, well, just about everything.
So how did we get from printing term papers to, possibly printing food? To really get where this is all going, we need to take a quick look back at its surprisingly fast evolution. The whole journey really happened in these clear stages. After it was invented back in the 80s, inkjet just exploded into our homes in the 90s. But the real game changer, the big turning point, was Generation 3 in the 2000s. That's when it made a critical leap in both quality and speed.
All of a sudden, inkjet wasn't just some little desktop gadget anymore. It became so fast, so precise, that it could actually outperform traditional printing presses. It started taking over everything from professional photo labs to huge commercial printing operations. It became a serious industrial workhorse, and that's what set the stage for the revolution that's happening right now.
Right, so that industrial power became the foundation for the next huge leap, which the industry is calling Inkjet 4.0. And as you're about to see, this isn't just another upgrade. Nope. This is a completely new way of thinking about what a printer can be.
Probably the best way to think about it is the jump from an old flip phone to a smartphone. I mean, sure, both of them make calls, but a smartphone is a platform for countless apps. In the same way, Inkjet 4.0 is turning the printer from a single-task device into a super versatile manufacturing platform.
So what's the magic behind this? It really comes down to innovation in three key areas. First, the head technology. Using things like nanotechnology, the print heads have become microscopically precise. We're talking about firing droplets smaller than a human hair. Second, the ink. The ink is no longer just colored dye. We can now use what are called functional inks. These are liquids that can hold anything from conductive metals for printing circuits to skincare ingredients. And third, the digital tech. AI and cloud computing are managing the whole process, which allows for unbelievable speed and really complex customization all on the fly.
So when you combine that smarter hardware, those amazing functional inks, and all this new digital intelligence, what can you actually make? Well, the answer takes us so far beyond paper. We're now talking about printing the physical world all around us.
This right here shows you the massive scale of this shift. For decades, the target for a printer was paper. Simple. Now, the target can be pretty much any surface or any material you can think of. Clothing, food, our own skin, even the parts for electronics. The canvas has totally, completely changed.
Let's dive into a huge industry that's already being transformed: apparel. From custom fabrics to actual wearable technology, inkjet is changing what we put on our bodies.
And this goes so far beyond just printing a custom t-shirt. We're seeing printers apply intricate designs directly onto finished products, like shoes and bags. But the real breakthrough is using those functional inks we just talked about. We can now literally print electronic circuits and health sensors directly onto fabric, creating things like fitness suits that monitor your body in real time. Incredible! Okay, so from the clothes we wear, the next logical step is how we present ourselves. The next industry getting a makeover is beauty and cosmetics. And here, it is all about hyper-personalization and insane precision.
The tech's precision is just perfect for this. Imagine a little device that scans your skin tone and then airbrushes a perfectly matched foundation right onto your face. Or a printer that applies complex, beautiful nail art in just seconds. It can even custom mix and apply advanced skincare formulas right at the moment you use them. That is hyper-personalized beauty in action.
And that brings us right back to that idea from the beginning, the one that might be the most mind-blowing of all. With Inkjet 4.0, we are now, quite literally, printing our food.
How? Well, it's by using cartridges filled with 100% edible inks. And this isn't just about putting a photo on a birthday cake anymore. Think bigger. Imagine a chef printing a complex, savory pattern directly onto a steak or a machine that precisely deposits specific vitamins and custom flavors onto hospital food to make it more nutritious and appealing.
So, printing clothes, printing makeup, even printing our dinner. What does this all add up to? This isn't just a cool list of new gadgets. It really represents a fundamental shift in how we create things, a whole new paradigm.
And this really gets to the heart of the matter. The technology, as powerful and as amazing as it is only half of the equation. The real revolution, the magic, happens when this tool is combined with human creativity. When chefs, designers, and engineers start asking, okay, what if we could?
This is the true meaning of that buzzword, digital transformation, or DX. It's not about using a new tool to do an old job a little bit better. It's about using a digital platform to invent completely new products, new experiences, and new possibilities that just couldn't exist before.
So the powerful question this leaves us with is this. If the technology allows us to print pretty much anything, the limiting factor isn't the machine anymore, it's us. It's our imagination. The real question isn't what the technology can do, but what will we choose to create with it. Thanks for watching.